IP is an expense or an investment?
Initially, I used to think that as an expense. Why to spend so much energy and time thinking about and planning for that? But now, obviously, I think very differently. I think founders also should have a basic understanding of why and what and how.
अगर आपके पास कोई एक ऐसा IP सुपर पावर हो तो आप कौन सा सिलेक्ट करेंगे? मीन्स कॉपीकैट को इमीडिएटली स्टॉप करना या फिर आपका IP वैल्यूएशन को मल्टीप्लाई करना?
I would say इंडिया बेस्ड फॉर सेल के पास पूरे इंडिया से जितने भी बिजनेसेस लिस्ट किए हुए हैं राइट नाउ आई थिंक 14,000 से ज़्यादा बिजनेसेस है.
14,000.
We also have businesses from more than 200 cities of India, and businesses are from, let's say, couple of lakh rupees to couple of 100 crore rupees.
During the whole journey, ऐसा कोई वाव मोमेंट रहा which is related to or directly connected with respect to intellectual property?
This is loosely held definition of intellectual property for us. It's obviously about our data. When it happened for the first time, I was shocked that why would people do that? It's not an aha moment for me, but it was a wake up moment for me.
तो अगले 5 साल में आप क्या देखते हो कि वो IP रिच बिजनेस या IP बेस्ड बिजनेस जो है उनका ट्रांजैक्शन आप कहाँ देखते हो?
I am very confident that this will grow up to 10% in another 5 years.
How you see the IP ecosystem or the level of IP ecosystem in India compared to the global?
I don't know too much about other markets, but I assume that other markets are also.
Particularly intellectual property की बात करें तो how it is impacting the valuation of business?
People still do not pay premium for that intellectual property, but people buy these businesses because of inherent innovations.
Either स्टूडेंट है या फिर कोई नया स्टार्टअप स्टार्ट कर रहा है, आप उनको क्या एक गोल्डन टिप्स देना चाहोगे विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू IP?
I would say that any founder who is starting or who has already started recently definitely spend some time thinking about IP.
तो आपके एक्सपीरियंस में ऐसा कभी आपने देखा है कि जस्ट IP ना होने की वजह से कोई डील होते होते अटक गई वो?
Two content companies looking to do a transaction where one company was looking to buy this another company, and this company which was looking to sell, they did not have enough protection on their content. If they would have had that content permission, they would have been able to sell it.
स्पेसिफिकली उस टाइप के एंटरप्रेन्योर्स जो अपना बिजनेस एग्जिट करना चाहते हैं उनके लिए क्विक IP चेकलिस्ट क्या होगा?
I would say that